In the midst of a pandemic still spiraling out of control, independent experts say global failures got us here, but there's a way out.
We are not here to assign blame, but rather to assess what could be improved in the future.
An interim report says the world was not prepared and needs a better pandemic alert system. Yes, China wasn't transparent enough, and the World Health Organization should have declared a pandemic sooner. But most countries, including Canada, didn't take warning seriously enough either.
We're, of course, looking very carefully at this interim report.
Scientists point out viruses move in minutes and hours, not days and weeks. Reports of human-to-human transmission should have prompted countries to close borders and start social distancing and the wearing of cloth masks.
The fire alarm goes off and you're wondering, should I go out? Is it a drill? Is there a real fire? I think that when things happen, we need to move fast.
Global health experts had been warning governments of a pandemic just like this one. But instead of preparing, politicians cut public health budgets, making it difficult to detect threats, clearly communicate with Canadians, and mobilize a response.
I think the reality is every political leader in the world was just hoping that the next pandemic wouldn't happen on their watch. The results, deadly consequences.
Leaders now say they're listening.
Obviously, there are things looking back that we could have, should have done differently. And I think one of the most important things as we move forward is making sure that we learn from this experience.
For so many, it's too late. But experts warn the rollout of vaccines will be the next test. If countries don't work together, the virus will continue taking lives, and this pandemic will last longer than it has to. Christine Burak, CBC News, Toronto.